would like to welcome you to the 10th annual Jif Most Creative Peanut Butter Sandwich Contest final event.
Let's hear it for Devlin. Let's hear it for Mike. Let's hear it for Mallory. Next up, we have Sullivan. Let's hear it for Logan.
Sweet like honey, smooth or cushy, doesn't matter cause I got PB in my tummy. Jif. Woo! I like it.
Amanda loves to cook and experiment in the
Yes,
kitchen.
I do.
First, you take your extra crunchy peanut butter, hickory brown sugar, barbecue sauce, and lime juice, and you mix them all together. Me and my brother couldn't decide if we wanted French toast or peanut butter bananas, so we combined them. So I decided I would call it the Chomper.
Well, the winner of the 10th annual Jif Most Creative Peanut Butter Sandwich Contest is Mallory for our peanutty barbecue chicken quesadilla. Congratulations, Mallory.
The experience has been great from the beginning to the end. Anybody that wants to enter, don't hesitate. You got nothing to lose. It's just like help her come out of her shell with confidence. I think it's going to be a little carry on through for her.